Hey guys, welcome back. So today's topic is all about worksheets, grouping them, copying them, editing them, renaming them. So let's get started. Okay, so this is your worksheet and you let's say you want to create a new worksheet. Okay, then so this is your workbook, Excel series basics, and these are your worksheets. So you can always move your scroll bar to the right hand so that there are more spaces for the worksheets. You can click on this button to move with your worksheet forward and backward. Okay, now if you want to create a new worksheet, so you can just press this button, so it will create a worksheet next to the current worksheet. So if you want to create manually, just right click it, insert worksheet. Okay, so your work is done. Now if you want to move to the right side, just click on this button. Now you have three worksheets and you want to delete one of those, just right click it, delete. If you want to delete multiple, just press the control key, select right click and delete. Okay, so now you have created worksheet by right clicking insert and then by pressing this button. Now what if you want, if you're having multiple sheets and you don't want to follow those steps, press the control key, raise this, just drag and drop this 22 copy to wherever you want and it will create a copy of this worksheet. Okay, what if you want to create multiple sheets, select multiple sheets, press the control key and then just drag and drop it. Okay, see, so it has created one more Excel sheet. So now since if you want to move this Excel sheet here, then you can just move it as it is. Now let's say you want to you want to copy this Excel and move this Excel sheet and move it to a new sheet. So what you will do, you will just press Ctrl C, then create a new Excel, and then by the way you can just press Ctrl N to create a new Excel. So this will, I just press Ctrl N and it has created an Excel sheet. That is the, it works only if you are in Excel and you want to create new Excel. This works in all of the Microsoft products. Okay, so now you have two Excel worksheets and you want this to be moved or copied to a new worksheet. So what we can do is we can just press the control key and select both of these. Then you need to just right click it. Okay, and then click on move or copy. Okay, once you click on move or copy, then select from this drop down a new book. Once you click a new book, if you want a copy, then you can create a copy or else just create it as it is. Now if I press on OK, these two worksheets will be moved to this new workbook. Okay, so I will just press OK and boom, these two worksheets have been moved to this new worksheet. So this is book number 1. Okay, I will just close it out and don't save it. Okay, so now I am back to my original worksheet. Okay, so now this one is a bit important. Now let's say you have some data over here, you have created some excels and now your boss says that at each of the excel you want a header at the top of each of the row. Now if there are many Excel worksheets, you cannot go to each and every Excel worksheet and insert, and then you can insert company logo or anything else. Okay, so instead of that, what you can do, if your requirement is such that if you want to insert a row at the header of at the start of each of the worksheet, then one way is to go to each of the Excel worksheet and press insert, then go to this worksheet and then right click and then insert. However, I am just pressing Ctrl Z. If you want to do it in one shot, what you need to do is first of all select the worksheets where you want to do it. Okay, so I have selected these three worksheets. You can select worksheets, multiple worksheets by pressing shift or pressing control. By control you can select randomly, by shift you can select in a sequence. Okay, now so now my requirement is to insert a row at the start of each Excel sheet. Okay, so now these three worksheets have been selected. I will just press right click over here and insert. Okay, before clicking insert, you can see here, if you can see here, then this Excel worksheets, you will see a group uh, button, group a label over here. Okay, which means you have labeled, you have grouped some of the worksheets, you are working on group of worksheets. So if I click on insert, so now if I check the other sheets also, these have created an extra row. So if I want to add this row of each and every column of each and every worksheets, I can just press and extend this worksheets column. So if you can see over here, this if I just keep it 100%, then you can see it properly. Okay, so these are different ways wherein you can use your Excel worksheet. So if I just delete it, then this column has been deleted from each and every row. Now if you want to get out of the group, just click any other cell and you are out of that group. Okay, so if you want to just create an Excel worksheet over here, you can just rename by double clicking it. You can just press any name over here, rename, or if you want to rename it manually, right click, rename, then also you can do it. Okay, so if you want to duplicate it, press the control key, drop it out. If you want to create a new Excel, click on insert. Before clicking on insert, what you need to do, you need to right click, move or copy, create a new Excel workbook. If you click on create a copy, then a new book will be created, but this will be written. It won't cut and paste, it will just copy and paste. Okay, so this were some of the tricks which you should know while working on worksheets. You don't need to create something from scratch. These functionalities are there basically directly into Excel, so you should use this functionality. Okay, so that was it for the day. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this video and hit the notification bell. Comment your views in the comment section, and Jai Hind, Jai Jinendra.